Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So, good news for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 users, as the WhatsApp app is now available in the Play Store and directly it is available for download in the smartwatch, and definitely you don't need to install it via any app like the Easyfire tools. Downloading the APK, the WhatsApp has been officially released for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and 5 users, and this WhatsApp app we can install directly on this watch. So once I search for the WhatsApp in the Play Store on this watch, you can see WhatsApp Messenger is available, which is ready to be downloaded. I have already downloaded, so we will see how the WhatsApp app is and whether we can use the same WhatsApp in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and in our phone. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 is a great smartwatch and it is getting regular updates in the app and also in the watch. So definitely the apps are getting better, the watch is becoming a lot more smoother and faster, and definitely Samsung is working to make it a really good smartwatch. So right now I can already see a lot of apps has been released and WhatsApp has been finally released for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So all the tips and tricks which you have done to install WhatsApp, that is already working, but you are also getting the official version of WhatsApp in this smartwatch. So let's see how the WhatsApp app works on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So I have already downloaded the WhatsApp app. If you have not downloaded, you just need to click on install in here. You can also go to your phone and install it on the device. So I have already installed the WhatsApp on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So let's see how it works. So I will be opening the WhatsApp for the first time, and you can see it is giving me a code to connect to the phone. So in my phone also I've got a notification, enter code to link new device. So I will click on that, and here is the notification I am getting on my phone from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and I will just click on the confirm option. So once I have clicked on confirm, I need to unlock it and put the code which is showing on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So here I have already given the code which has been in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can see it is loading all the chats already on my watch, and here you can see I have linked it successfully with the Wear OS. So here is the WhatsApp interface, and I have opened it on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 for the first time. Here you can see the chats are showing on my smartwatch, and I can reply it with my keyboard. Directly type the message here and send it to the number. Also I am getting the option of quick replies, and also I am getting the option of voice reply, which is really great because we are getting all the options in our Android phone in this smartwatch also. So here you can see I am also getting the option of people in the conversation to see the number of the person, or I can also open it on my phone so that I can reply it from my phone up there. So a really great app has been built for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and we can also reply with smileys. So here is the smiley option. So if I want to send any smileys, I can send to the chat also, which is really great. So here I will be sending a message on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 to see how the message is received and how we are getting the notification over WhatsApp. So in here I am sharing a message to my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and you can see I have received the message on my smartwatch, and I am getting the option of open on watch, open on phone, block notification and clear. Obviously if I want to reply, I will click on open on smartwatch, and from here I can reply directly to the person from where we have received the message. So I will click on the tick sign, and I have received the message on my phone. So we are getting this blue ticks also if we are reading the messages, which is really great. So definitely we can use this smartwatch to reply to messages directly, and obviously we are getting all the features of WhatsApp also. And the main thing to note is we are getting the same WhatsApp on our smartwatch, which will be installed on our phone. So we don't need to install any different WhatsApp up there. So same WhatsApp which we have installed in our phone, we are getting it on the smartwatch, which is really great. So definitely this is an added advantage we are getting if we are having the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and 5, as we will be getting all the messages on our smartwatch and also on our phone. So we don't need to take out our phone, we can reply to the messages from the smartwatch and get all the notification directly on this Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you that the WhatsApp app has been installed for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.